Hey guys, in this video I bring you a VR camera. This is a VR camera. The main function here you can the QR code, the features, and the product label. I'm going to open the box. So you got a user menu, Yoosee smart camera. What's inside? I'm gonna take them out. Cell phone charger, and this is the camera, and all the things. Screws, 3M double-sided tape, right? And that's all the thing, and so this cell phone charger is a 5 volt. A bag of screws, a piece of plastic. So it actually is a bracket for the installation, and 3M double-sided tape. I put them aside, and here is the camera. In the center of the camera, it has a fisheye lens. And on the back, it has a label, QR code, and on the side, a micro USB port input, a memory card slot, and a reset button. Now I'm going to test it. The first step, connect it to the cell phone charger. That's the cell phone charger. And run the app.
Please configure Wi-Fi with fast networking. Please configure Wi-Fi with fast networking.
Fast networking.
Waiting for configuration.
Now scan the QR code. So step 1, step 2. Write down that. So this is a 5 gigahertz. The camera does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so I suppose I need to switch it to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Go to Wi-Fi setting. This is my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and then go to the Apple again. So the next step, you need to input the password of the Wi-Fi. Then we tap next. And it shows me an ID, GW. Touch it.
Start configuration. Device is online already.
So anyway, I choose one, garage, confirm. Check now. See, it's real. Is a panoramic view. It's quite impressive. So that thing. I'm going to zoom in and put it sign on this. And oh, very impressive. Actually, can zoom in, zoom up, zoom in, zoom out. I'm sorry. And pine, Tito. So okay. Just pretty amazing. I suppose here I can choose menu, multi-screen, 2 device. Okay. What if I install a camera like this? Okay. Install like this. So to zoom out, so you can see. The image quality is very high. I quite like the fisheye view. Panoramic view is great. I think this camera is quite good for indoor video surveillance. The viewing angle covers very well. No blind spots, especially if you install the camera on the ceiling. So that's it.